Hey YouTube, this is NJ4Water5. In this video I'm really nothing special. It's just a quick video. I had a couple people ask me about the degradation on these capacitors. So far I'm not really sure how well I could really tell because you know they got resistors and lights and Schottky diodes. So what I ended up doing is in the video you're about to see, and it's probably somewhere around 45 minutes long, but I'm going to speed it up. In that one alone I charged them all to, like, I believe it was 16.2 at 1 amps, and they took about an average of 15 to 16 minutes each, but you'll see that in the video. And yeah, this is just a quick video on me charging these and what the final voltage is. Okay, so now you guys seen all that. These have been sitting, I believe, for 48 hours. I'm pretty sure. Yep, it's 48 hours. Now I left them charged. I didn't run nothing through them. I didn't try to burn them down, you know, with the I didn't try to, like, you know, I didn't try to, like, I don't know, discharge them. So the first one is going to measure positive, negative, and it's sitting at 9.06, and that's the one with the little LEDs. And I'm assuming the reason why it went down so far is because of the resistors and, you know, all the stuff on there. And I'm sure if I left it longer it'll eventually go all the way down, but right now it's sitting at 9.6. Second one, and this is the very first one I built. sitting at 911. And the last one is sitting at 9.8. So they're all pretty close to each other. So when I put these in parallel, they should discharge rather the same. I plan on putting something on there to discharge them all the way down when I'm not using it. I've been doing a lot of research, and these may be too much power for what I want to do. I don't really want the power, I want the storage. So I've got to figure that out. I think putting them in parallel should give me enough storage. It should work. I'm not 100%. You guys will see a video of that. And this video, this capacitor build is going to take a few videos. I'm going to kind of take my time, you know, while I'm getting better and stuff here at home. Still pretty sick, but I try to break off every now and then to get this done. Also, I'm going to try to do a video next week because I had a little giveaway from a couple of, I believe it was 2 weeks ago. I have a giveaway going on, and I'm going to go ahead and do the video on that, probably my next video. And that'll probably be just a quick video, just a quick, hey, these are the guys who won, yay. And if I could come up with it, maybe I'll have another giveaway. Who knows? But anyways, you've seen the charges on all these. I'm going to throw these in parallel, not on this video, but in another video. And then I'm going to try to run some, man, I'm so bad with names. I've got this heavy duty one right here. And maybe you guys can help me out, because I've done so much research on this and I cannot find nothing on it. When I bought it because I thought it would handle a lot of amps, and the person I bought it from actually said it would. Then when it come down to it, I end up asking the seller, and they knew nothing. I've checked every site possible, I can't find nothing on it. So maybe you guys can help me out. Whoever's watching this video, I'd be very grateful. It says it's an IR. Let me try to focus. An IR 7210, and it's got 522940-1Z12. On the nuts part, it says K26, and I believe that might be the size. I've tested this and it works, but I haven't tested it under a heavy load because I don't know what the amperage of this is. If worst case, what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to have to probably do some offsets instead. I'm not 100% sure yet. Offsets might be the way to go, considering how much amps I'm going to have, because how much tongue tied today. Using a MOSFET, I believe that's what they're called. Let me see if I can grab one real quick. I think I put them away, but IR540. I'm not sure what I did with them, but I have a bunch of MOSFETs that I purchased, and I believe they're 1N1405, I believe, something like that. IR1405. Anyways, I got 10 of those, and I'm thinking about running those instead. I'm not 100% sure. Not, you know, this is just kind of a feel as you go thing. I'm hoping it comes out real nice, because what I actually gotta do is I gotta take these and I gotta make them safe. So that's about it for now. I just wanted to show you guys after 48 hours, these things are at 908. They usually kind of sit there forever. I've even tried to run these lights with them, you know, just these are 24 volt 20 watt lights, and when I ran this with them, they stayed lit forever. These are probably pretty good capacitors, especially from the guy I bought them from. So I just want to say hi to everybody. Still alive, as always, and thank you guys for watching my videos. And if you're interested, if you got any suggestions on my build, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. Let me know if you know what that thermistor, oh Lord, not today. Let me know if you know what this is. It would be very helpful. Thanks for watching all my videos, and I just want to say, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will check you guys out in my next video.